Welcome to today's STEAMwork Science. I'm Anna from National Children's Museum, and today we're talking about pollution. I can't smell anything. I'm gonna pick green. Pollution is when humans introduce a substance that might be poisonous or hazardous for the environment. So I'm gonna show you a science experiment about pollution. I have 4 ingredients: vinegar, food coloring, salts, and water. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that pollution can be seen in the environment, and that's why I have 3 different glasses here. So each glass is filled with just plain water. So I'm going to show you how we can sometimes see and smell pollution, or sometimes we can't. So let's begin. So I'm going to start with salt and just pour some salt in this glass of water. So you can see the salt on the bottom a little bit, but we're going to check back on this one later. I can't smell anything. Next is food coloring. I'm gonna pick green. So if I take the green food coloring, put it in the water, just 2 drops, you can see that right away. So sometimes pollution can be seen really easily, but I don't smell anything. Next is vinegar. Vinegar is used in cooking and cleaning, but let's see what it does in the water. Just a little bit. I can't see anything. Woo! But I can smell it. That's really strong. So sometimes we can smell the pollution and not even see it. Let's look back at our salt. I don't see anything now. So sometimes you can maybe see the pollution at first and then it goes away, but it's still harming the environment. What if we mix some of the pollution examples together? I'm gonna put some of the food coloring where we can see it but not smell it. And it turned that one colorful right away. And it still smells. So sometimes you can see and smell. This might be when you're walking down the street and you see some smelly garbage that's on the ground, you can see and smell. Sometimes when you can smell but not see is when there's gas in the air. So cars make gas and airplanes make gas, and that's pollution. And sometimes when you can't see or smell it at all, that's pollution that often goes in the water, like salt runoff. That can go and contaminate the environment and the ecosystem in the water for all the animals who live there. So I hope you learned something new about pollution today, and if you want to replicate this experiment at home, you can definitely do that too. Remember, STEAMwork makes the dream work, and we're all in this together. Bye bye, dreamers.